Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about the iPhone 17's always-on display and a few hidden tricks you probably didn't know. So stay ahead because you're going to want to check this out. Right here, when your screen stays on after locking, that's always-on display. It shows time, widgets, and notifications without waking your phone. Wow, it's smart enough to dim the wallpaper and save battery using that bright OLED screen. What you're going to want to do first is open Settings. Go to Display and Brightness, and tap Always On Display. Over here, you can turn it off completely or customize what shows up. If you want to save a bit more battery, go ahead and turn off wallpaper and notifications. Now, a quick trick. If you place your iPhone face down or in your pocket, it turns off automatically. That's smart power management. And when you look at it, Face ID wakes it right back up. Oh, great tip. Link up widgets like calendar or battery so you can make out info at a glance. Anyways, that's a quick look at the always-on display on iPhone 17. You gotta try it out. It's sleek, smart, and makes your iPhone feel alive even when it's locked. If you have any other questions, drop them below.